Did you guys miss me? Well, let's talk about Algorand today.
Nerdy dude stuff.
For those of you keeping track at home, today's drink of the day is a Bud Light Seltzer Hard Soda Orange Soda because someone drank all my beer. Now, I'm not really going to review or score this, but I would challenge you to try it if you find it because it tastes exactly like orange soda. It's delicious. I'm not a Bud Light fan or anything, but this is what I got. So, cheers to you guys.
Donk! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. I almost forgot how to do this because we haven't recorded in a while. If this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to consider subscribing, turning on the bell notification as we used to post videos daily, but then we got a new job and our schedule's still a little crazy, so we're going to try to post weekly and do our live stream, but also like this video. Now, as I said, right now my schedule's a little weird at work. I'm kind of working like thunk right in the middle of the day. So in the morning I have to wake up, I've got my kids, I send them off to my in-laws' house, I go to work, I come home, I get my kids, I cook dinner for my wife and my family, and then kind of settle in, go to bed, or play a couple of video games here and there. Follow us on Twitch, more on that at the end of the video. But we're not even streaming on that just because we haven't been able to play games that much. But when our work schedule finally settles in, we get a couple of more managers to join me, I'll have a more flexible schedule to be able to have that afternoon creation time to create and bring more videos to you. I have been completely out of the crypto game other than my small miners like Helium and, watching you guys in Discord complain about, blocks, not going through. I haven't checked on my deeper in a while. The only thing I know is that crypto market is down. I haven't looked at other projects or anything. So we're trying to get ourselves back into the pool, and we wanted to start by where it all began. The more success, the more positive, the more interaction this channel received was when we started talking about Algorand. We got into Algorand back in November of 2019 when it was sitting at 34 cents, and of course we're going to show what that looks like today, but that was where the channel really started to take on a little more of a life of its own, was when we kind of dove in and got involved in the Algorand community. So I want to circle back because we made a mistake last time. If you're familiar with Algorand, you know there's the governance voting protocol, and you have to lock in your votes before a certain date, and we thought we did that. We did it on camera. We never got a result or response back from our reach out when we reached the customer service. So with today's video, we are 2 days away from the actual commitments period, which we'll go over here on screen. Let's just get right to it. All right, so Algorand's currently sitting at 30 cents. Yeah, I mean, I got back into Algorand when it was at like 34 cents, and I'm sitting on a bag of about 5,020 or so. I haven't been accumulating anymore with the exception of mining Algorand, this is over on CudoMiner. I think you do it on Mine Algo as well. Link for this in the description. What this does is this utilizes your hash power for your CPU or your GPU to mine Monero or Ethereum Classic, and then you can elect to get paid in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Algorand, or another crypto, and I've elected to do Algorand. I did a withdrawal the other day, and this video is not about this. We're probably going to circle back and do a full video about this, but we did a withdrawal 2 days ago, and we've already mined ourselves another 2 Algorand. Now's a really good time to consider this with the token being low. You're actually getting paid out really well and a lot of actual tangible token value to withdraw and go from there. And then we're pretty much moving it over to our crypto wallet on our phone, the Algo wallet, which we use for the most part. But when we get into today's topic on the video, I noticed on Coinbase that you can now earn 5.75% APY, which I think this is them staking your algo and committing algo into the governance program themselves, utilizing that to get the rewards, which I think is looking at like right now, like a little bit. I think I was going to average out at about 8 to 10% APY. So they're getting a little bit of that profit, and they're paying out 5.75% APY. So if you don't, I'm only showing this right now, and I might do a full video on this as well, just to re-emulate and circle back to about 2020 when I did these type of videos, when I first got into Algorand and Coinbase. But this is something to consider where there's no participation required, no activity needed, no nothing. You set your Algorand here on Coinbase and go. So stay tuned for a video like that here in the future. But what we want to talk about today is the governance program. If you are strong into algo and you believe in algo, you know exactly what this is. We've done full videos on this before, but in a nutshell, what this is you commit a certain amount of algo into the governance program. You use that algo at a 1-to-1 ratio to vote on protocols and procedures and things that they put out. The last few votes, the actual 2 that I did, I kind of got steamroll. Actually, my second one didn't even count, and then I missed quarter 3. for some reason didn't count, and I reached out to him. But even the vote that I did process on video, I was severely outnumbered by it. So I want to make sure we get ahead of the train this time and let you guys know, to remind you, to remind myself, that in 2 days from now, governance period 3. No, it should be government. Yeah, this should be governance. No, this is governance period 4. This is quarter 3 of 2022, but they started this in October of 2021, so that was period 1, and then the first quarter of 2022 is period 2. Second quarter of 2022 is quarter 3, was protocol 3, and now we're going into the governance period 4. And you can see right here, earn rewards for your participation in the decision-making period 4 sign-up window July 1st through July 15th. So they're going to give us 2 weeks to sign up for governance period 4. It's currently June 29th, so I've got 2 days before I need to make sure I get onto this. So if you haven't seen this before, if you've gotten a bunch of Algorand since my last Algorand video and you stumbled across the channel, A, thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, turning on the bell notifications. B, you want to be like, what's the governance program, and how do I, this is how you earn your Algorand rewards now versus the pure proof of stake that the token used to be. You have to interact, you have to be involved with voting. Luckily, the voting I've only seen is about 1 vote per quarter, so you only have to be present and accounted for 1 time to qualify and earn the rewards until they start increasing that. So what do? You go to algorand.foundation/governance. There should be a link in the description for this. There's no affiliate or anything because this is directly through the tokenomics and directly through the token and coin itself. So it's not like some other platform that needs to pay affiliates. So click on the link or you just type it in. Don't care. Once you're on this page, you're going to go up to the, you should be on this page where it says governance and you have all this here. You can read about it yourself. Always do your own research. I love the Algorand token, just how fast transactions are. Usually it's a good way to get around withdrawals from centralized exchanges, because centralized exchanges will sit there and say, oh, well, you have to have a minimum of 0.005 Bitcoin and the fees are astronomical. Well, it's like Algorand was the redheaded stepchild that they overlooked, because most of the time when I withdraw from a centralized exchange, I've never paid more than 1 algo to do that transaction, and it's instantaneous. When you send algo from, let's say, just to really break it down, crypto.com to Coinbase, it's instantaneous versus the confirmations needed for Ethereum and Bitcoin and the likes. Algorand is boom, you're done. There you go. So you go to algorand.foundation, you scroll all the way down here to sign up as a governor. So you click on sign up as a governor. You can see here that the voting session's over, blah, 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 sign up period is over. But this is all going to change when it comes to July 1st. You're going to see an opportunity here that will say commit votes for period 4, Algorand governance period 4. Before you do that, though, you want to make sure your wallet's connected. And you can have any wallet you want connected. I've got my Para wallet, which is the official Algo wallet on our mobile devices, connected. And all that you need to do is when you click on this box up here, it's right above my head right now, there's going to be connect wallet. Let's just see. Let's just see if I can do it for you. So this is what's going to look like freshly. I'm also going to pull up the Para wallet on my phone just so I can keep going right now. And we are going to hit connect. So then we're going to select Algo Signer, My Algo Wallet, Other Wallets, or Para Algo Wallet. This is where I hold all my Algo, so I'm going to hit Para Wallet. It's going to pull up a QR scan. You pull up your Algo Wallet on your device, and you will see this little plus or scan icon up here. We're going to hit that scan icon, and we're going to scan this QR code. Now that we scan the QR code, it's going to give us this screen that says Algorand Governance Program wants to connect to your account. You have to select your account. Since I have 3 wallets, 1 for Algorand, 1 for Planet Watch, and 1 for Block Create. Then we go ahead and we want to select the one where all of our algo is, and that's right here. We have 5,030 algo there. It's going to bring you to this screen right now. Algorand Governments wants to do stuff. Then you hit connect. And then boom, you can see right there, 5,030 algo is our wallet. Your governance has been stuff and things. You hit close, and now you're good to go. You don't need to do anything else with your mobile device. Now everything's going to be interacting with the web browser when this stuff comes. So we're going to use that. Now we are connected. So on July 1st, this is going to change to that sign up or it's commit, algo for your vote. We'll do a recording about that and upload that as well. And we're going to commit our 5,000 algo to go into the next voting cycle. And we are not going to screw up like we did in the last 2 quarters. We're going to stay on top of it to make sure that we vote. We record it for you guys to see, so that way we can get max rewards when quarter 3 of 2022 ends. So make sure you stay tuned if you like algo and this is where you want to be. because we are going to make sure we stay and keep everyone up to date. Also, we're going to mention it in the Discord, because if I can't do content, at least I can chat with you guys in Discord to remind everyone with a little at everyone, lock in your algo now. Get ready to vote now. So on and so forth. Anywho, that's going to do it for me today, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me on Discord or Twitter by the links in the description of this video. And now going into 2022 and kind of circling back with how much the market has dipped, I am going to do like a 2-year nostalgia style series on Algorand, where I kind of actually go through the data like I did in 2020 on if it's viable here in 2022. So obviously the Algorand, staking in our wallets. I mean, the only thing that I think really changed is we don't have the Algo miser anymore, but we could still look at the benefits of holding Algo in our wallets to participate in the governance program versus staking on Coinbase. And so I think it's going to be a really interesting time. Of course, we're going to talk about how to mine Algo using any PC that you've got, any ASIC farm that you've got, any, GPU mining rigs that you have, where you can mine Algo. And I love the rage I get in the comments whenever I say Mine Algo, because there's actually logistics and an explanation on why I say Mine Algo. So other than that, thank you very much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. But everyone else, like, comment, turn on the bell notification, all that good YouTube stuff. I'm O'Prius, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh, hey guys. We also stream over on Twitch, so if you want to hang out and join us, link in the description. You can follow us, twitch.tv/nerdydudestuff1. Really love to see you guys over there. And also other social media information is in the description of this video. So we'll see you guys next time.